Okay, here we are live. Let's see how this would look to a live defense. Now, in this particular case, you see our buck circled. He's going to work underneath to his front side A gap and try to chase the play underneath. Okay, in this particular case, our center is going to come off the double team and pick up the buck. Run it, fellas. Okay, so a great example of the center coming off. You see it all in action, and you see the play happening in full speed. Here's an example of our backside buck, our backside linebacker, scraping over top. Now this time, he will not chase underneath. Instead, he will chase over top. In this situation, as discussed, our right guard will then come off last moment and pick him up.
Point to the mic, point to the mic. Widen out. Inside. Right here. Purple full. Purple full.
Okay, you see this right guard came off. The center is now in a one-on-one. Now, it's worth mentioning that even though we have a come off, the center or the guard's going to come off, the one who is still on should be working themselves into position, just as we talked about with the right tackle and the left guard, working themselves in position to have great leverage on the gap, on the running lane.